Well, good morning. This is Travels with Dottie, and here I am gliding through the village of Eagle Nest. And I'm going back here. That's the fire department on the left, and the paramedics are right here with the red ambulance. And you can catch a glimpse of a couple of residential homes that are in the village here. And up here on the left, that building is the community center, and I think also a senior center. And what I'm going to do, actually, I'm going to correct myself. I don't think that was right on the building there. I think that senior center is on the other side, maybe. But what I'm going to do here is I'm going to go down by the park here, turn around, kind of try to get up in the sidewalk in the park. They usually have vendors here every weekend, and this is where my original destination, the green chili cheeseburger cook-off and pie eating contest, is supposed to be. And I'm doing a voiceover after the fact, so I already know that these tents up here are not what I think they are. We'll explain that a little bit later in this video. And here, that building was not the senior center. It was like the bathrooms and stuff, I think. So I'm making my way over here to where I see tents and things setting up. There's the main cover area where there are lots of picnic benches and such. And here, because there are people around walking, I'm getting off and I'm going to push the bike. And as I get through here, I'm checking out, do I see like people about to cook cheeseburgers? And the answer is no. These are regular vendors, jewelry, things like that. And I'm like, I wonder if I got the day or the location wrong. That's me standing, mulling, thinking, how can I find out? And then I get back on my bike because I remembered something. I remember across the street here at the saloon was a sign on the window for the chili cheese burger cook-off and pie eating contest. So I'm going to do a little U-turn here. Carefully glide down the sidewalk to where I think that poster is. Remember me stopping here for a great cheeseburger here at the saloon, right here. And this is where the ghost is, in this building. So go back and watch that video if you want to hear about the ghost that's in the saloon building. And I finally go, oh, there it is. And I look and I see I was in the right place at the wrong time because it's at 2:00. So that means, and it was about noon, I have to come back in a couple hours. So now I'm contemplating, what am I going to do? Can I make something out of this footage I've done? Can it be a video? And I'm thinking, just riding around on your bike is mildly interesting, but you need something else. You need some kind of a hook. You need something interesting. And I decided to go in search of something interesting. So down here a little bit, I spy something on the fly to my left that I have not really done anything with before. But then I think, hey, I can go do the video I've been promising on Golden Eagle RV Park. It's right down here. I can slip in there, take out my camera, and do a tour of that RV park and interview the owner. I thought that was a great idea. You notice it's a really beautiful day here in Eel Nest, and Golden Eagle RV Park is kind of on the outskirts here, but it's pretty close. It's funny, I'm looking at the screen as I'm talking here, and it looks so far away, but in the bike, it doesn't look far away at all. It's like right in front of me. It's huge. Now you see it coming into view on the right here. And I'm like getting excited because I'm saying, hey, there are not too many cars in the parking lot. I don't see a ton of activity. Maybe they'll have time for me and we can get a really good video on this place. And here it is. And just foreshadowing a little bit, we're going to get another little bit of a surprise when we come up here. And you might notice in front of me, there's a couple there sitting at a picnic table. And they'll become important very soon. Well, no tour. What happened, Rob? Well, what happened was it was closed. The office was closed because they were attending the balloon event all weekend. So the office is not going to be open until Monday. But the couple recognized me from YouTube, and I sat down and talked to them. And they've been here for at least a couple of weeks, staying in that RV park. And like everyone else I've talked to that stays there, they love it. Because the people are so friendly and inviting, and there's so much to do, and people do things together, and they're really excited about it. The close quarters doesn't bother anybody because it's so much fun to stay there. And then I came up with the idea, I have not been to this store. I'm going to go in and ask the owner and if I can do the inside of the store. And I noticed a food truck that I hadn't noticed here before. That made me curious. So I took a sneak peek at the menu and it said smash burgers. Interesting. So I decided to pull my bike in a little closer. Don't want to tempt anybody just to take it. And I didn't want to lock it up. So I'm going to stop the narration here because when I walk in, I'm gonna be wired for sound. Oh, I love it. Yeah.
We've been thinking about getting a couple of those we carry with us when we go camping.
Well, this is the light model. I had a heavier one. I'm glad I got the light one. It folds. I can lift it in and out of the truck.
Okay.
Same brand?
Same brand, electric. Yeah, okay. They're out of Phoenix.
Okay, good deal.
Yeah.
Information.
Sure.
About it.
Sure.
Oh, it's right here. I can give you the paper receipt also for you. Okay. Yeah, come back. Take my card on the counter. If my door's locked, just call me and I'll open up on that.
Okay. What counter?
When you're walking out.
Oh,
to the
okay.
left. Okay.
And those earrings that are hanging by the rings, those are 35.
They're
you said?
35.
Okay.
And they're 150 other places.
Okay.
How are you doing?
Hi, I do videos. I've been doing a bunch of Eagle Nest videos. And is it okay if I do the inside of your store?
Sure.
It'll only be positive and good for you.
Wow.
Okay.
Where are you from, sir?
I'm in an RV full time, and I spend the summers here and the winters down in Quartzsite, Arizona.
Can I tell you, I'm 80. From the age of 30 to maybe 60, I sold in Quartzsite.
Oh, really?
Can I
Yeah.
keep this?
Absolutely.
Oh,
Absolutely.
Thank you.
So I'm here until the middle of September, and I do a lot of Eagle Nest
Can I live
content.
vicariously through you?
Absolutely. Absolutely. So I'll take a look around, and I might even buy a burger out there. That looks like it.
Can I tell you real quick?
Yeah.
Jerry Jones from the Dallas Cowboys told my son-in-law, son, I've eaten a lot of burgers in my life. I'm from Texas, and your green chili cheeseburger is the best I've ever had. So he's been cooking around here for a long time. He only uses fresh meat. Everybody else in town uses frozen, and his French fries are real. And he has a soft serve Dole Whip desserts, no dairy, no this, no that Disneyland has. It's and raspberry and pineapple, and it's soft serve that Disneyland's famous for. And sometimes they wait 2 hours in line. And I just sent a group of women out there. They said, we were just at Disneyland and we didn't want to wait in the line. And we have it right here.
All right. Well, I'm going to try it. First, I'm going to walk through your shop here and see all the...
And what is your first name?
Rob, R-O-B. It's Rob. And Dottie's my dog, so it's Travels with Dottie.
I love that. What kind do you have?
Well, there's a picture over there on maybe the other side of the card.
Oh, my God.
That she's kind of a little bit of a mutt.
Oh, I love it. Okay, Rob, thank you.
Yeah.
Okay. And I'll move out of the way because you might want to film this area right here.
Okay. All right.
It's sort of...
Well, I know a lot of my viewers, about half of them are women, and they will like your shop for sure.
Well,
you don't have to move. I can get it right here.
I'm going to my seat right there. I just was over here because I was selling some of these bracelets. Well, that stone on this ring, the mine closed in 2020. It's like a turquoise and coral mix called Sunset Turquoise. So I have a special. If you buy the ring for $35, I'll sell you the bracelet for $35. How are you doing?
I'm good. How are you?
I am wonderful. We've been having a really good time. You know, these hots, I have these in regular prices.
These are $19.99, $20.
These some of these are like work for somebody that's like
Yeah.
100 pounds.
A lot of these are pretty interesting looking. Not that I'm a connoisseur of women's clothing, but a lot of it looks very nice to me.
Yeah.
And there's one I saw back here that really attracted my attention. Let me go see if I can find it again.
I got it from over there.
Okay, good. Okay, because there are two places. Okay, great.
Yeah.
You know what?
So this is the one that really attracted my attention here for some reason. I'm not, like I said, I'm not a connoisseur of women's clothing, but there's something. Yeah. It just seems very nice. There's something about it that speaks to me. So anyway, I'll show you the rest of the store. There's another room back here.
My granddaughter's bed.
Oh, look at that.
You buy one of the dresses?
So we'll go out and we'll check out the hamburgers.
One or two and come
Yeah.
back.
Okay, you got more? Yeah. That's what I'm thinking.
What's that? I would ask them if they want like pickled tomatoes, lettuce on it, or anything else. Lettuce and tomato. Yeah, because that's what they want. Pickled tomato lettuce on it.
Would you guys like oh, did you want pickles and lettuce and tomato, or just the mushroom Swiss with
Lettuce and nothing else.
I'm sorry?
Just the lettuce.
Lettuce? Okay. Hello.
Hi, just to let you know, I'm doing a little video. I asked her, she said it was okay to do a
Okay.
video for my YouTube channel.
Sure.
I'll have a double smash burger, everything except for pickles.
Everything but pickles. You got it.
She did a good job of selling this. She said,
Well, thank you. Would you like any fries or a drink?
no, I don't think so, but I'll come back another day for the Dole soft serve.
$11.50. There's 12, 13, 14, 15, 5 is 20.
Thank you.
Be up in just a moment.
Okay.
That was so like hanging out.
So we'll take a little peek behind the store here because it's got the great view of the lake. And yep, here's the nice view of the lake. Isn't that wonderful? Well, we are back, and we'll take a look at this cheeseburger. Ooh, look at that. Oh, that is good. And there's Dottie. Hi, Dottie. How you doing? You smell that hamburger, don't you? And what about you, George? What were you doing today while I was gone? Were you looking out the window? Leaving little pieces of litter? Well, guys, we're back, and we have our hamburger. Fresh ingredients is the smash burger. It's really, really good. And let me take this off and turn it around. Hang on. There we go. Thanks for watching today's video. I'm going to be making more than one today. There's a lot going on in Eagle Nest, New Mexico today. Take care.